Hello to my subscribers, or welcome to the newcomers. My name is Jacob, and in this video we are in the woods with Jaden staying the night. That's why we got huge bags on, but it's not supposed to be this big. I have no idea why they're so big. Why am I talking so fast? What the heck? Hello. So we have actually managed to make it. Enjoy. Because he's a fat guy. Enjoying himself because he's fat, so this is the thing I made last time, and I think we're gonna put the tent here. So yeah, we got a pot as well.
I know I can relax.
Oh, with his cookie. Drinking some Curacili cola.
Beer!
It's not beer, obviously it's not beer.
White beer.
But it's like, it's a really nice tasting cola. It's like, it's got like herbal extract or something. Like, cheers.
No, we're gonna get the tent down, so tent up, so we'll be back when that's ready, you know?
Yeah, I'll time that. Woo, we got a tent up, but my battery pretty much has almost run out, so I'm gonna have to like,
Only like 20 minutes.
try not to film. So yeah. But we got the tent up. Woo! Hi.
We'll just give you updates, like good updates.
Yeah.
Here's making the fire. If you guys didn't see, you know, tent's done.
We'll use the matches here.
Just quickly to show you inside. You know.
So we got our fire going.
Burn me marshmallow.
Boiling some water for pot noodles. Now we're making some pot noodles.
Woo!
Pretty good actually, I've had a little bit now. And he's like, pretty much. Enjoying some quality time in the tent till it gets dark, and then we can go have some fire time. Yay. Look at some of those spicy things. Yeah.
Hey guys. Yum yum.
Enjoying the fire.
What is it, like 10:30, 11?
Yeah, it's like 10:30 now. It's really nice to be honest.
Been out for like what?
Yeah, we've been out since like 12:30.
10 hours.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
The quality of the video has probably gone down by quite a lot now, but yeah, it's like pretty dark, not completely dark, but on the video it's like completely dark.
And I've got a splinter.
So Jaden here is having some soup, and I've got some John's West stuff. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty good. So that's pretty much.
What time is 12 o'clock? Yeah.
Is it 12?
Okay, it's 11:15.
Okay, 11:15. Yeah. So enjoying my food, but you can't see it. It's like right here.
Oh wait, I can enhance them.
Yeah.
Enhancement.
So yeah, it looks
The porn.
absolutely minging, but it's really nice.
That's
And it's
nice.
absolutely boiling right now.
It looks like a fucking manky vagina. I'm gonna try a bit faster.
It's really hot, trust me. And then we've got his soup
quite
down
nice.
there. Put the light down there. And we got his soup.
Which is overflowing. Well, it's
You
cooking.
can't even see it, but you know, it's just on there. But yeah,
That pasta's not hot. It's really nice.
yeah, I know. Right, so now we're gonna go to sleep in a bit after we've ate. So yeah, we'll probably go to sleep at about 1, 2.
And then
So-
we'll text in the morning or whatever.
Yeah, see you in the morning. So it's the next morning, let's get out, and it's great because we have the fireplace already ready. Yeah, no, like, first off, like that.
Yeah, we usually, you know, we've got the playground, we've got the nice little fire, we've got the washing line over here, and then down there we've got like a classic hot tub and swimming pool.
Yeah, hot
Also
tub.
known as river.
Yeah, there's a river. And there are like our
That's
like
actual like bedroom.
yeah.
You've got like all suite. You can like pick out.
Jaden's second soup. Enjoying that. What I was going to say was, are you enjoying that like lentil soup?
How am I enjoying my lentil soup when it's on the fire?
Exactly. something really lucky just happened. Jaden there lost his phone just like down the hill.
All the way down, just down the hill,
All the way down at the bottom of this hill. And then we went back down looking. I was like finishing the suit pretty much. And then like I went over and he said that his dad rang, so he heard his phone. Like,
so lucky.
That's so lucky, I swear. Like his dad just phoned just as he was there.
Oh my god. Like,
it's not actually. Okay, so the plan is to stay another night. And that's only if I'm allowed, so it's down to me. So I'm just gonna go over and get like supplies and stuff because we only got enough stuff for one day, like including phone battery, camera battery. So yeah, I'll have to charge everything up. So yeah, another quite a while. So I have resupplied, got sandwiches, went to the co-op, so we have pot noodles, soup, but he doesn't know that yet. Got bowls, cutlery, bog roll, kind of heavy now, but yeah, pillows as well. So yeah, it'll be comfy this night. So I've made it. Jaden here was here by himself for like 2.5 hours. Yeah, I did. Well, not really. Right, we just called one of our friends. He's called Big Man Wilkie.
No, Wilkie please.
Yeah.
Nah, he doesn't play job, he's bringing us food.
So Jaden's now went to get John. So he'll be coming soon. And I'm leaving in 5:15. Right now it is 25. So another 35 minutes, I think. Yay. This fire's pretty big right now as well. Okay, so we have John now, but I went to Taekwondo for a bit, and now once I've came back, irresponsible John has burnt the entire thing down. So we just got chucked in there before it sets the... I don't care, since
Since he thought that too far would be.
yeah, apparently.
I like fire.
You could have burnt that.
I'm not burning your fucking head. I don't paint such.
Yeah, but that could have been burnt.
I told you it could have burned, and you were like, no, I wouldn't spread that.
Kills on one side. I mean, like, even if a quarter is not that much.
Oh my god.
I mean, look at that fire.
So yeah, I just kind of broke it and then put it in because otherwise, yeah. So we all have to clean this now. You didn't know that, right?
Really?
Yeah, we're cleaning it.
Okay, I'll do that
Not now. After we burn all the sticks, obviously.
now. Oh, you wouldn't burn all the sticks.
We need to make sure all the charcoal is restoring.
Wait, I'll-
Yeah. Thanks a bunch, John. So yeah, this is what he's done. Actually messed it up. Like, it's just a mountain now. It's not a fire pit, it's a fire mountain.
Oh yeah, here's the fucking, that's the remainder of, the Jordan.
Oh yeah, they exploded the deodorant as well while I
You'll
was
see that on
away.
my channel.
This is nothing on my fault, by the way. So yeah, just a little update quickly. This disgusts me. So it's the next day, and weather is absolutely terrible. But Jaden, I must be proud of him, got his first like little fire going by himself. Shut up. But yeah, so it's the second day. Third day, I keep saying that. Wait, so yeah, 2 nights and I'll be heading home today. So yeah, good day, or good 3 days. High five. Woo.
I actually hit that high five.
I know, right? Okay, so we're exploding his deodorant this time.
Stand back, it's gonna go so exploded like the last time.
It's gonna be so cool.
Oh no, stand back, cause like me and John like felt like the
Oh,
heat.
that'll be so cool.
I'm gonna put my hood up just in case.
So yeah.
It's gonna be so big. I swear, if like the fucking tent catches on fire.
This is a bad idea. I just
John went
realized.
back in to push it, but I think it's too late.
Dude,
I just dropped my phone.
that was so big. So after the deodorant explosion, this it's fine. After his 40-year-old seat has a hole in it now. 40-year-old. So we got chicken noodle soup for Jane there. I'll be getting stuff. Probably chicken noodle as well. So. Hold on. Also, I went down to try and clean this, but John has actually messed it up. So I doubt he will. Jaden, I hate you. Why? Okay, so we have packed, and tent is in my bag and everything. Or no, it's your bag? Yeah, that's the tent on the left. His bag is so bad. And time to go home! After 2 nights, 3 days. Yeah, boy. And we're home. Hey! Oh, what? Why are you already here? I didn't even unlock the door or anything. Yeah, it's such cringe. I'm sorry. But yeah, now like, we could have the pot noodle that we didn't finish, charge phone, and just kinda die. Same. Feels so good. So thank you guys very much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed, because I really enjoyed making it. 3 days of sleep and running about backwards and forward. 3 days of sleep. Like and subscribe if you want. But for now, see you guys in my next video.